Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create environment variables on Linux. So at the beginning we will go into terminal and we will start with what is an environment variable, because environment variable is are named values that affect how program runs. For example, in our operating system we have some variables that are set by default. We can print them by one by using echo command and then $sign and the name of our variable. So, for example, we have home variable. As you can see, this home variable set basically prints for us the path to my home section. We can print all of them by typing in print E, N, and V, like this. So print environments or something like that. Like you can see, we have a lot of them. For example, shell equals bin bash. You have a lot of them. You can read it if you want to, but we will move on to the maybe right now second comment, how you can list them. You can list them also with env. If you will type just env, it will give you the same result as the print env. So you can use either one. Now I will clear that, and I will show you how to create environment variable in two ways. One is temporary and the second one is permanent. So the temporary one, we have to do something like this. So for example, my and variable, that will be the name of my variable, and we have to store something in this variable. So we will do something like this, and we will, for example, store the word hello, like this. I can press enter, and my variable has been created, and we can list them. I mean print, we can print it by typing in echo my and var, like this. As you can see, it is working, but it's very important to say that this variable works only in the current shell. So if I will close that and I will open my terminal again, I think we can do something like this. So echo and like this. As you can see, it is not working. So how can we make it work, basically to be permanent? We have to add it to the bashrc file. How can we make it? The bashrc file is hidden. It is hidden in our home section. As you can see, it is here. We have to edit this file and add our environment variable into this. So we can edit it by typing in nano, for example. I'm in the home section, so I don't have to do it, but you can do it like me. We can start it like this and bashrc. If you are not in the home section, you have to do it like this. I'm in the home section, so I don't need this. I can use just dot and bashrc. This dot is necessary because this file is hidden. Every hidden file has dot at the beginning on Linux, so that's why you have to write it. And right now we have to just simply add a variable into this file. So at the end, for example, we can do the same. So my and my variable equals, for example, hello, and we can save that. And right now we have to save changes. We have to do something like this. So source and bashrc. As you can see, it worked, and my variables should work right now. So echo like this, and my. As you can see, it is working. And if I will stop, if I will close my terminal and open it again, and I will use echo my variable, as you can see, it is still working, so everything went fine. How can we remove this variable? Of course, we have to edit this file again. As you can see, this file is hidden. We can't see it from there. We have to use LA option, and we can edit it again. So nano bashrc, and we have to go at the end of this file to the place where we added this variable, and we can remove that. Again, save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter, and Ctrl X. And right now we have to again save the changes. So source.bashrc, and I think right now it should not work. So again, echo and my variable. As you can see, it is still working. So we have to close that, open that again, because as you can see, it is not working, so everything went fine. And this is how you can create environment variables on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.